Within your present belief systems, you accept that a cosmic explosion occurred and created your universe, this being completely random and possessing no consciousness. To your estimation, your world began as gases, and as rocks, elements not possessing life, and from this, through your belief systems of evolution, you believe that miraculously, somehow, consciousness was incorporated into matter accidentally. If you inquire to me, I will express to you. This possesses no logic. Matter did not appear cosmically within this explosion, and then create consciousness. Consciousness was, is. I will express to you that in your terms of viewing in time elements, for you are focused within time, we shall use terminology of before, which is also now, but we shall be indulging of terminology that you may relate to. Before the organization and orchestration of your universe, as you view it, was consciousness. Before essence, as you interpret it, was the whole. You may use any term you are wishing for this action. I do not use the term being purposefully. For your term of God, or all that is, or the creating universal one and whole, whatever you choose to call it, is not a being. It is all consciousness. It is an action. It incorporates all. Before the incorporation of essence, so to speak, there were elements of consciousness. You may also term these to be units, which others have expressed previously. These elements of consciousness know no limits of time or space. You may think of these as very tiny black holes. You may think of them, if you will, in physical terms, as elements smaller than your smallest physical particles. But these elements are that which creates all physical expression. Everything, within every universe, within every dimension, is created by these elements of consciousness. And they are everything. They are not only the driving force behind matter and action, but are matter and action also. This being the basis of what you term to be God. I will also express to you, you incorporate all the same as this action of God. You are the same, but it is more. It is more than the sum of all of the dimensions, of all of the universes, of all of the parts. But without you, it would not be either. Therefore, no separation, for you also are intimately a part. You incorporate your own individuality, your own intent, your own desires and focus. But you also incorporate all of it, and it possesses, so to speak, all of you. No one element, to the most minute unit of consciousness, is any less than another. Therefore, there is no contradiction in expressing to you that you each, within your individuality, are the center of the universe, for this is true. Each element chooses to manifest according to its desire and function. A flower manifests to the fullest of its ability. The units of consciousness that make up this flower are the same as that which you possess also. The flower's intent and function is to be a flower. Your intent and function is to incorporate intellect and intuition, to be directing of your universe as you have created it. Therefore, make no mistake, you direct all of your physical manifestation, in every area. You create your individual reality, and collectively, you create the reality en masse. Therefore, you are the creators of all that you perceive, and far beyond. Originally, many thousands of your years before you believe your planet even existed, it did exist, and you manifest within consciousness here. You chose the elements of your world and how it would be manifest physically. You chose to manifest all of your creatures, all of your plant life, your rocks, your sand, your water, your atmosphere. You experimented with these elements also. You moved through consciousness non-physically, not manifest. You were within continuous interaction with nature, as you have created it. As you moved through your time element, which you also created, you created different expressions within this physical world. You created what you view to be a universe around you. After a period, you blinked out as a species, moving to other worlds and creating them also. You, then, blinked back into this world. In this, understand that your time of manifestation was quite different. You did not incorporate time physically the way that you incorporate it now. You only partially manifested physically. The simplest explanation of this manifestation would be to express that you moved through what you now term as astral bodies. This is your consciousness body, which you do possess. This body being that form that you incorporate when you experience an out-of-body. You did not begin with an atom. Neither did your universe begin with an atom.